Part 2 of our first sequence will begin in that plank position that we just finished the end of sequence 1. From here I'm going to come back into a deep squat. Notice that my feet and my knees are opening outward. I'm using my elbows to really keep those open and feeling that stretch in my inner thighs. From here I'm leaning side to side. Again, I'm going to do 4 times. My back is completely straight. There's no arching, there's no bending. On my 5th time, I'm extending my leg and stretching my arm up overhead, nice and slow. I come back to that low fire squat position. Elbows are inside my knees, back is straight, core is contracted 4 times, reaching side to side. On the 5th, my hands will come down and I'm going to open the opposite leg. So now it's my left leg that's straight. My left arm opens, really reaching my side before I come back to my low fire squat.